Hi, my name is Tony, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the price of gold and its recent rally upwards. Today is Sunday evening for me, and it is Monday morning in Australia. Trading just started about 4 hours ago, and you can see gold has just made a 7-year high towards the highs of 1763 today in the trading session. I believe that we could see much higher prices. The reason for gold rallying these days is likely due to the news that interest rates are very likely going to be staying low or perhaps even going negative in the United States. Because of this, many investors are choosing to invest their money elsewhere, in stocks, in bonds, and of course in gold and silver. As a result, we simply see that gold has rallied very substantially, and there are many more reasons for gold to continue moving higher in the near term and the long term. I believe that the next level of resistance may very well be near the $1,800 psychological resistance level. This makes sense since if we look back at it, there has been some struggles to get past this level before back in 2012. However, there also is some sort of a resistance at the 1790 level. I believe that if we can pass these two levels, we will inevitably move higher towards $1,900, and if we break past that, $2,000 becomes very, very likely. As a result, at the moment, I think gold is very strong. Now, in the short term, it is a little bit overbought, but again, you do not want to be short something that has just broken up to 7-year highs. It is very likely we will see prices going even higher in the coming days. Gold is on a rally, and there is no stopping it anytime soon. Gold is not the only commodity that is shooting higher these days. If we take a look at silver, we can also see that we are up 3.6% on the day, even more than gold, as we are going back to the price that we were before coronavirus hit us hard. I think silver has reason to perhaps challenge the 1860 level in the long term, which does seem to be a level of resistance. I think that if interest rates actually do go into the negative territory in the coming weeks, months, maybe next year, gold will be at a very high price for the foreseeable future. At the moment, there is not a lot of trust in global fiat currencies, and gold at the moment is king. I believe that any short-term sell-off of gold or silver in the short term at the moment may just be the result of covering margin calls in case stocks do crash, but at the moment, stocks are doing very strong as well. We continue to rally towards the 2,900 level. Now, in the past few videos, I have stated that I believe stocks are overbought and will be sold off on a fundamental basis, since a lot of companies are not going to be meeting their earnings this quarter and perhaps for the next few quarters to come. However, I don't think there's going to be another major sell-off of stocks like we've seen during the coronavirus crash. And because of that, I don't think there's going to be any major sell-offs in gold, since usually a stock market crash leads to a sell-off in gold simply because a lot of people get margin called. If we don't see any more flash crashes in the stock market, I think gold is going to be very, very strong in the coming days. I don't think we're going to have too big a sell-off, and I believe that any selling is a buying opportunity. Any dips or pullbacks should be bought. Again, we are at 7-year highs. It is incredible, and I think we will go a lot higher. Again, my short-term price target is $1,900, and I do believe that we can go to $2,000 in the long term. With all that being said, thank you very much for watching my analysis of the price of gold. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Take care.